Hi, I'm Bobby Tulis from GFS. We're a Linworks partner and the UK's largest provider of managed multi-carrier services. I'm here because the team have asked me to share some insights and some best practice tips on mastering final mile delivery. So let's start with your customers and what a good final mile delivery experience means to them. Now, for customers, the final mile delivery experience actually starts at the checkout with the delivery options that you offer to them or not, as the case may be. This is where they want to see a wide range of delivery choice to satisfy their busy lifestyles, diverse needs and preferences. And this can make or break the sale. Did you know that according to the recent research by Retail Economics, the number one reason for basket abandonment is poor delivery options? Almost half, that's 47% of the 2,000 plus shoppers that were interviewed, stated that they had abandoned a purchase at least once a month due to unsatisfactory delivery options. And this is estimated at a whopping £38 billion in potential lost sales to UK retailers. So what boxes do you need to tick to nail final mile delivery? Well, first and foremost, offer a wide range of delivery options at the checkout. And we talk about the rule of 5 as being the benchmark. So at least 5 delivery services, which can include anything from fast to slow, click and collect, parcel shops and lockers. Ensure you include premium services like nominated day and time delivery slots in the mix, because research shows that customers want these services and they're willing to pay for them. So don't feel you have to default to free. Make sure your customers receive regular notifications once the parcel is on its way. And this is particularly important where parcels are delayed or lost. A failed delivery in the eyes of your customer is not when a parcel fails to arrive, but when you fail to notify the customer of that ahead of time. So maximizing delivery choice for customers naturally requires working with multiple carriers, because no single carrier can offer every service possible. But this can mean higher complexity and cost for your business. So take advantage of multi-carrier tools and technology to help simplify processes like multi-carrier labeling, dispatch, track and trace. And the final tip, consider switching from working with multiple carriers to working with a single multi-carrier partner. This gives you a smart way to maximize delivery choice for your customers, spread risk, and benefit from greater buying power. And as a Linworks customer, you're ahead of the game because GFS is already integrated in the Linworks platform as a carrier partner, giving you access to over 1,000 services across UK and international. So to find out more, ask the Linworks team for more information or visit gfsdeliver.com. Thank you for your time, and I hope you got some value from this.